T n is equals to 15 minus 3n. This is what is going to be the answer. All right. So we go to question 10 now. All right. So these are the phone numbers that you can get in touch with us. The first one is mine, and the second one is for a friend whom you can also get in touch with. All right. So please, let's get started without wasting much of your time. Thank you very much. So we have question 10A. The probability of getting a black button from a box is 2/9. Find the probability of getting a button which is not black. Simple. Simple. Okay. The probability of getting a black button plus the probability of getting a button which is not black must give us 1. Okay. So if the probability of getting a black button is 2/9, then what is the probability of getting a button which is not black? So you know this is very simple. The probability of a button which is not black is going to be 1 minus 2/9. How do we solve this fraction, people? This is very simple. I'm sure you know that. But let me take it for granted that you have issues. The lowest common multiple here of 1 and 9 is 9. 1 into 9 is 9. 9 multiplied by 1. We get 9 minus 9 into 9 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is. So we are going to get 7/9. The probability of a button that is not black. Mkwai, this is our answer. Atuzumanani. So question B is on mensuration. Very simple question. The diagram below shows a sector AOB with the center at O. Okay, this is the sector of a circle. And radius, this radius from this point up to this one, this is 21 centimeters. Okay? The angle subtended at the center is theta, and the area of the sector is 462 centimeters squared. So calculate the value of theta, given that pi is 22/7. All right? So we are given area here, so we need to know the formula for the area. Okay? The area is theta multiplied by, isn't it? This is the formula that we use to find the area of a sector. Now, you have to take note that in this case, we say this is the area. We can even bring it the other side. In this case, area is given and we are looking for theta. So we'll go on and say theta 360 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21, because r is squared. Then the area is given as 462. I hope this is very clear. At this point now we can begin to simplify. Remember, this is paper 1 where you do not have a calculator. So now we say theta 2 into 360, it's 180. 2 into 22 here, it will be 11. 7 into 7, it's 1. So there will be 1 here, which becomes irrelevant. Then 7 into 21, this is going to be 3 multiplied by 21, and this is equals to what do we get? 4, 6, 2. I hope this is very clear, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this is clear. So we broke down this, we simplified 11, 1, 8, 7 here, 1, 7 here, 3. That is where we are now. Okay? So there is one thing that you are supposed to understand here. There is one thing that you have to understand here. Alright? There is one thing that you have to understand here. And that thing is, when you can multiply F throughout here. Okay? All these, they are together like this, isn't it? All these are together here. So the next step is where we say we cross multiply. So to cross multiply, it will mean that all these will remain here. Okay? Then 180 will come this side. Okay? I hope that is very clear. I do hope that is very clear. Okay? Or maybe if you want, just a minute, when we still had 180 here, okay, we can say 3 here, 1, 3 into 18 is 6, okay? So meaning, here we are remaining with what? 60, okay? Now, if you want, we can again go further here to say 3 here. 3 here, how many times? It's 20, isn't it? 3 here, it's 7. I hope you're getting that. We are simplifying. Take note that we do not have a calculator in this case. Okay? I hope I haven't left out anything. So at this point now, this side we are remaining with Q, theta. This is theta, not Q. Theta multiplied by 11 multiplied by 7. This will be equal now to 462 multiplied by 20, where I said you cross multiply at that point. Okay? So this side we no longer have this. Now, this is the point at which I would say we have to begin to work out this. We have to begin to work out on both sides and simplify to see what is it that we are going to get. Okay? That is the bottom line. So we are going to have 77 theta is equals to 462 multiplied by 20. Okay? Usually I don't like multiplying these two, because we do not have a calculator, so we are increasing the size of the value. So at this point we can divide 77, even this side 77. Alright? So we are going to have theta is equals to, can you divide 77 into 462? How many times? Can you divide? We are going to get 6, isn't it? We're going to get 6. 77 into, it goes 6 times. So 6 multiplied by 20. Okay? 6 multiplied by 20. What do we get? We are going to get 120 degrees as the value of our theta. Are we there?